Hi there, I'm Shahy and welcome to Shahy Sees English. Today is another pronunciation video and we will be looking at the la sound and the ra sound. This is especially dedicated to my friends who find it difficult to pronounce these sounds. Okay, so by the end of the video you will be an expert in both the ra sound and the la. So first we will have a look at a few words and let's see if you can pronounce them correctly. I'm going to say them and you are going to repeat them, okay? The first word is allow, allow, collect, collect, lane, glamour, which might sound like grammar when you say it. Okay, so these are a few words that may sound like a different word, which is why pronunciation is so important. Okay, you might be saying your dress looks so glamorous, and it might sound to somebody that you're saying your dress looks so glamorous, which is not what we want, right? Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the la and the ra sound to help you see the difference. This will be our first step. So the ra sound is made by pressing the tongue, the back of your teeth, lifting it up and curving it inwards. Okay, ra, ra. This is how the ra sound is made. The la sound is also made similarly, okay, but there is a difference. The la sound is made the opposite way, by keeping the tongue down and flat, and then it's lifted up. La, la, la. So when you are saying the word lift and long, okay, that's where your tongue should be, at the beginning of the word, okay? La. When you are just about to say the la sound, your tongue has to touch the front part of the inside of your teeth, okay? And you don't have to stick it all the way up, you can just touch it slightly. La. Gentle touch. La. Okay, but let's do an exercise to help you pronounce the la sound correctly. And many times children will stick their tongue out and then they will go la, 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 la. When you are practicing, all you have to do is stick your tongue out. I know it looks silly, but let's do this anyway. Okay, so stick your tongue out. Lift your tongue up. La, la. And it's relax your tongue. Don't make it tight. Don't la. Then it will be like that, okay? So just relax your tongue. If you make it tight, the sound will change. Okay, so let's do the exercise one more time, okay? Breathe and just relax, okay? Don't make your tongue tight. Just relax your tongue, okay? Like a child would, and just like this. And then just lift it up. La, la, la. Okay, so I'm gonna turn sideways so you can see. La, la. So when we say that la sound, okay, our tongue is nearer to the teeth. And it's not curled up. And for the ra sound, it's opposite. The ra sound, the tongue goes back and it curls. Ra, like that. Okay, so note the difference of the la sound and the ra sound when I demonstrate it to you. Okay, so this is the la sound. La, la, long, life, live. Okay, now I will do the ra sound. wrong, right, rice. When you're practicing, like I said before, exaggerate the sound, and if you don't know what to do, just la. Sometimes even if your tongue is outside your teeth, la, you can still make it. But if it's at the back, la, you can't do it. It still sounds like a ra. Let's look at some more words again for practice. And I think you are going to do really well this time, okay? Play, lice, loyal. Okay, so let's do glamour one more time, okay? Glamour. Okay, if you are finding it difficult, do it slowly. G-l-a-m, p-l-a. Break the sound down. Do it phonetically, step by step. Do it slowly. There's no rush, okay? When you are practicing your pronunciation, you can be doing it on your own and nobody is there to watch you. Okay, so you can say l-a, l-a-s, g-la-ma. So you can break it down like that, and then when you're talking, you will find it easy, okay? So keep practicing and let me know how well you did. I'm sure, I believe in you, and I'm sure you can do it. So put it in your mind that you can do it, and your brain will help you. So make sure you keep practicing, and remember to give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you didn't already. Thank you to everybody for your support. See you soon. Take care and bye for now.